Hello, hello, hello. Hello, welcome, welcome. Welcome to this extraordinary festival called Inktober. If you all can hear me, can you just put a message that yes, I can hear you? Can you hear me? Just put a message that yes, you can hear me. Okay. That's fine, that's nice. So I will tell you, this is my first experience and first attempt to be live on Instagram. And thank you very much for all of your love, for all your attention to be with me on this day. And this is an extraordinary feeling. So we will be celebrating the whole month. It's not today and it's not only tomorrow. The whole month we will be celebrating this beautiful festival called Inktober. Why Inktober? This is a month of October and we will be using ink. Alright. So we will draw all the prompts. You can draw with pencil. You can put a outline with pencil, you can put anything else, or you can directly draw with ink. But ultimately what we have to understand is, just because this is a challenge called Inktober, we would like to use ink, but any sort of ink. I mean, it can be anything. Yes, super excited. My coaches, my mentors, they are also there in this live session today, and I'm so happy to have them with me. So what we want to do today will be to have a basic outline of what we want to draw, and then we will put ink on it. Okay, so inking can be anything. It can be with a fine liner, it can be with a fountain pen, it can be with a ball pen, it can be anything, or even sketch pen, micro tip pen, whatever you like, but it has to be an ink, right? And once we do with that inking, make sure that the end of, if at all you have drawn an outline with pencil, we will rub it off at the end of the session. Once we are happy with your drawing, with your inking part, once you are satisfied with it, just rub all the pencil outlines and it will be beautiful. It will look nice. Okay. So let us understand what Inktober is. Inktober is a festival. It's a challenge. It's a way of cultivating patience. It's a way of cultivating consistency. Basically, it's a way of character building. And that's a beautiful idea. Drawing, we all thought that drawing is just fun. Yes, but along with fun, now we are adding some extra ingredients into it, that let us see how much you are able to maintain your consistency throughout the month. So that is the challenge. We will all face this. I have been doing it since last 3 years now. Many people are doing since 2009. Mr. Jake Parker had started this in 2009, and since then it is going on every year. What you need to do, once you finish the drawing, you just have to take a photo and paste it in social media with the hashtag Inktober or hashtag Inktober 2024. That's all. You are part of the festival. The moment you are putting it up, you are part of the festival, right? So I'm just waiting for you people to join more a little bit. I'm just giving some time to all those people who are waiting to join. We are trying to join me. Some of them got information just now maybe, so that's why they are joining in. So once most of you all are joined up, I will start on with the sketch. What I will be doing is, just to save time, and most of the days what I will be doing, as my style of doing Inktober is, I will be doing the homework beforehand. I will see all the prompts. I know all the prompts for the entire month. So at least 3 to 4 days prompts I will see. I will research on them. I will think creatively on them. I will get some newer ideas. I will try to put my emotions into those prompts and see what do I feel about it, what do I get it. And then one more twist. Usually I have been trying to do this in the last 2 years. I don't know whether anybody else noticed it or not, but what I do, or I try to do, is I will add an extra twist to the prompts. All the prompts should have a feminine touch. So that's a little tougher proposition, I mean, many a times it's very difficult to connect a word, a particular prompt, with a feminine touch. But anyway, that's a challenge. So we will try to do that as close as possible, as much as possible. So it's up to you. You can add anything, you can be creative. You can just make it like digital, like Sanchari wants to do all digital ones, digital art. Sanchari is my teacher, So she wants to do this Inktober in a digital art form. So you can try any sort of touch or extra twist to the prompts, because prompts are common for everybody. That will be same for everybody. But each one of us will be different in a way, because our outlook, our thought process, our interpretation will differ. And that's the most interesting part. When we share with each other, after we complete our drawing, when we share with each other what we thought about and how we relate that drawing with the prompt, that's the fun part and the most interesting part. How people are creative and how people think differently. Although the prompts are same, people are thinking differently. And this is what life is all about. Any situation in life, a certain situation in life, 10 people will be facing that situation, and 10 people will be reacting completely different way, even if it is a difference in small percentages. But this truth we all forget. What we say, that I reacted because of the situation, because of that person, because of the way you behaved, and we try to blame somebody else or some situation, and we try to find the reason outside. But the truth is that the reason is not outside. Whatever reaction or response which you are giving, which you are showing, is actually your choice. It is not dependent on outside. This is what Inktober will show. Prompt is same for everybody, and each and every one of us will be a little different. Even if we try to draw the same thing, even if I say now what I will be drawing, you need not copy it. This is just sharing my way of drawing. That's all. You need not copy. You can draw your own. But I just wanted to emphasize the other important aspects of Inktober. Prompts are same, but that means something which is the trigger. The trigger is outside. The prompts are outside, but the reaction, the way you are depicting it, is inside. That is you. This is the real truth. Okay? So let us join. Whoever has joined, I'm thankful for you all being with me. Let's get on with the drawing. Okay? we will talk about it while talking, while going about the drawing part. So just give me few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, just to set my camera so that you can see the drawing part, right? So I'll be talking with you while I'm drawing, right? So let me just bear with me till I set this camera along. Okay, thank you. Just be with me, don't leave, please. Let me try to change it to the other side. Yeah. So this is the setup where I will try to draw. I've kept my sketchbook ready. I hope you can see my sketchbook. Okay. Just tell me if you can see my sketchbook. Can you message any one of you? Can you see the sketchbook? Right? Yeah. Okay. Is this fine? I think it's all right. Okay. So these are the pens I am having. See, you need not have so many of them. This is just because the numbers are different, the fineness are different, and depending on the work which you want to do, that way it will you can change them. Okay. So let us start. Now what I will do today is I will go ahead with a very simple drawing today, and I will show you the prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt: a girl carrying a backpack. So today's prompt is a backpack. Okay, so backpack can be anything. It can be a school bag, it can be a picnic bag, it can be a purse-like thing which you carry your utilities to college or to your workplace. So it can be anything you feel like, but most of the time backpack, what I relate to is my school bag. In my childhood days, the school bag was like my backpack at that time. Okay, so let me I'm just going on adjusting a little bit so that I am comfortable. Okay. Okay, right. So first we will try to lightly draw the outlines, okay, with a pencil. See, what I do is most of the time I already have done a little bit of fine outlines beforehand only, because I said I do the homework previous days, so that I don't spend much time while doing the basic drawing part. What I need to put more time is while drawing the inking part. So this is the outline of the head. just a pyramid shape. I mean, or a pear shape, you can say. Make a pyramid shape like this, and then this is the neck part. Okay, this is the neck part, and the shoulders are here. This is a very simple drawing. It is not so important what quality of drawing you are doing. The importance is what is the consistency of drawing it every day. So it can be a very small drawing. You just draw a backpack and that's all. You don't have to draw any figures or anything. Okay, but what you need to do is figure out a time every day when you can draw at least one drawing every day. Okay, so this is the outline of the backpack. Very simple. It's a very simple drawing what we are drawing today. The important thing which we need to understand is while we are drawing, what is it that is happening? What is it that is most important that is happening while we are drawing? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, everybody? Just let me know if you can hear me. Just give me a message that you are hearing me. Can you, yeah, somebody, just a message that you can hear me. I hope you can hear me. Okay. So this is what we will be drawing. The most important aspect, what I was telling is, while we are drawing, the most important thing which is happening is, you are mindful. You are mindful and you are in the present time. You are attached, you are connected, and you are fully present in what you are doing, in what your activity is. So this is called mindfulness. Being mindful is to be aware of the present. When you are drawing, you are not thinking about anything about past, or you are not thinking anything about the future at present. You are fully in the present. You can draw another purse over here. Okay, so this is it. This is the outline. All right, you can make the hairs like that. You can complete the hairs. So my intention of being every day with you all is not only to draw something with you, because drawing is my passion, that is my hobby, I love it, but I want to share my ideas, my reasons why I feel so passionate about drawing. Being in this mode is practically like meditation. So I don't have to create a separate time in the day to be in meditation. This is the big advantage. Most of us spend long time in search of our goals, in search of our dreams, in search of things which are outside us, which are in the materialistic world. But the most important aspect which we forget is giving time to myself. The priority actually has changed. The priority has changed. Priority has gone outside. So, okay, so this is what is our outline, right? Now we will go ahead with the inking part, all right? So I will take this Brusto 0.5 millimeter, okay? I'll try to make the outline first with this. These are very fine liners because I want them very fine here. That's why I'm using the finer one. You can use a little broader ones also. I will show you the broader ones also. Little if you want. See, this is 0.05. Okay, 0.05 is a little thicker one. See, these are thicker lines. You can use this also, no problem. Right? So today's drawing is a very simple drawing. The more we go ahead with the prompts in the later half of the month, maybe some of them will be a little more detailed ones, depending on what I am thinking about the prompts, depending on what is my idea about expressing it, in giving it a feminine touch also. So that will be another extra challenge for me, and I hope I will be able to do it the entire month, right? So this is the hair part. We'll complete this shoulder and the arm. The arm is in front. This is the neck part. Just give simple strokes, simple straight strokes. Don't have to worry about perfection. It need not be perfectly straight. It can be wavy because these are cloth, no? So it can be wavy, it doesn't matter. Only the strap has to be a little straight, okay? So this is the strap. This is the handle which you can draw like this. So yes, what we were discussing is the priorities has changed. The priority has become, most of us now, is number one is work, number two is family, and number three, if I get some time, then for myself. Because that is what people think, that earning money is the most important part of my life, on which everything is dependent. That is fine, that is understood. But if the priority is going in that direction, gradually what will happen, the battery gets discharged. The battery is the soul, the me, the real me. I slowly start performing a little lower quality because I have not been given attention to. So if I am not comfortable myself inside, whatever I am trying to do outside becomes slowly and slowly irrelevant. And that is what creates the trouble. So what we need to do and understand is change the priority. The first priority should be me. If you do not sharpen the tool, even if you try very hard working on that, the output will be comparatively lesser because you have forgotten to sharpen the tool. So sharpening the tool means giving attention to the soul, to me, to the inner self. Drawing gives you that connection with your own self. If you can do that, if you can spend a little time doing something for yourself, that is good enough. That is how you will be rejuvenating yourself, recharging your batteries. See, this drawing took hardly few minutes, isn't it? Drawing a very small thing is good enough. A little bit of time spend with yourself, spend with the thing which you love to do, that itself is a great boon. Right? So let us give it some shades, okay, so that it looks a three-dimensional effect, some shade. Draw straight lines parallel to each other, as parallel as possible, as equidistant, giving it a feel of shading so that it looks that the light has fallen on the other side. Okay? So this part is like Zen lines, You create Zen lines and you get the feeling of meditation. You create some straight lines, giving it a little effect of shading, and that's it. That gives it a special effect. You want to make it a little darker, yes, you go ahead give a little more, then it becomes darker, that's fine. Right? So this is the strap. Give a shade to this part. All this little effect will give it a 3D effect. So that means it is little ahead, giving it a pouch like effect. But this is very simple lines. You go draw straight lines parallel to each other. It's like hatching. All right. So, how many of you all will be there every day? And not only you, many of your friends must have missed it today. I mean, many of you all didn't get the information in time, and this being the first day, it's okay. Many people may not be knowing it, but then not only you, make sure you bring your friends along and let us share our little time together and enjoy this drawing every day, so that you get the feel of being in a very cool atmosphere, a mindful space of time and energy and vibration. If you can create that vibration, that will give the effect throughout the day for the entire period of the October month. And once you get used to this type of feeling, slowly you will see you will get addicted. You will get addicted to this way of meditation, and you start enjoying this creative way of meditation. And once you know the advantages of meditation, you will see life becomes much more easier. Every day I will try to share a little bit of my feelings about life, about the way I look at art, the way I look at life itself, and we can share with each other. You can always put your comments. Once we complete this, you can share in Instagram, you can share it in WhatsApp, and you share your comments, give me your ideas, and let me know how better I can do this, how better you want it to be done. What else would you want to hear about during this small session which we will have every day? And I will be very happy to try and communicate whatever you would like to hear from me. So it is not just drawing, it is actually sharing our thought process, what we feel about life, and how beautiful life can be if we are together, if we enjoy it every moment, every day. Because this present is a gift. This present moment is a gift. So let us enjoy each and every moment of it, okay? So that's it. This is what I would like today to share today. This is the backpack. And yeah, I was telling you about my experience regarding backpack. In our school days, before going to school, we used to be there in our bus stand. Buses used to come a little late. By the time the buses are coming, we used to put all our bags one above the other and make a cricket stump out of it, and we used to play cricket before going to school. So that was a funny memory of my backpacks during my school days, right? I was sharing this the other day with Niranjan. Yeah, by the way, Niranjan is my teacher. Niranjan is the one who created interest in inktober and in inking. I was mostly into portrait drawing. You will see in my page most of them are portraits, but inking and doing smaller creative things and then putting ink on it was initiated by Niranjan, my art coach, my mentor, and I am so grateful to him. So if you want to learn more about art and the way I have learned, you can always follow and connect with Niranjan. He will give you the basics of how to go about drawing sketches and inking also. All right, so today this is done. Let us rub it off. All the pencil marks, we'll try to rub it off and see how it looks. Okay, so once you finish it, try to rub the pencil marks. Okay, this is how you do it. You rub the pencil marks off. All right, and then it is so beautiful. Okay, and Okay, if you want to feel that the hair should have some little more finer touches, okay, fine, I can give some a little more finer touches. Okay, and do not forget to put your signature, right? So this is it. Okay, so that's all, folks. That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me bring back the camera to myself once again. Just wait for a few minutes. Okay, yes, all right. Thank you, folks. Thank you so much for being with me, all of y'all. And this was my first experience, and this was my first drawing for this year's Inktober. Tomorrow we will meet again, same time. And if at all there is any change, I will put a message in the WhatsApp or the Instagram. But most probably we will be continuing this, and I hope that you will be there tomorrow also. And please do share your comments, share your ideas, and do follow my page, and there is more to come in future. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow again. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.